In this quick video, we will learn rotoscoping in After Effects. Using rotoscoping, we can cut an object from an image or a video and apply effects like add any text, outline glow, or change background completely. So without any delay, let's start. I have already imported my clip. Let's create a composition. I just need this portion of the clip. So I'm going to press N and Ctrl-Shift-X. And here we have this 4-second clip here on our timeline. I'm also going to duplicate this layer using Ctrl-D. And for now, I will select this second layer and hide this layer using eye icon on the left. Now select this top layer, double click and open this layer in layer mode. Now select this Roto Brush Tool and draw around this person. Roto Brush is a bit sensitive, so it may select some extra area, and to fix this area, simply press and hold your Alt key and repair this selection. Once you are happy with the selections, we can use our transparency grid or we can use alpha overlay to verify our roto selection. And if you still see any issue or if you are a perfectionist, go to Effect Controls and play with Roto Brush settings. Try to change feather, contrast, reduce chatter, or maybe enable motion blur. I'm happy with my clip, so I'm going to freeze it. This freezing might take some time, so let's speed up the video. Our clip is now frozen. Let's come back to our main composition panel, and here we have our cutout. And now here we can add any image or video in the background. So let me drag this image. And there we go. But in this case, I will delete this background because we are going to put some text. Let's grab the type tool and add some text to the screen. And I will place this text right between these two layers. Finally, let's make our third layer visible. Just click eye icon in the left. For final touch, we can increase scale and adjust position of this text. And that's it. We are done. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and I will see you next time.